My dear child. I know your heart. I know the silent tears you cry, the thoughts that keep you up at night, the way you try to be strong even when you feel like you're breaking inside. I see the pain you don't always talk about. I see the questions you ask in the quiet. Why is this happening? When will this get better? Where are you, God? I want you to know, I am here. I have never left you. I never will. I know things feel hard right now. Life feels uncertain. You feel tired, confused, maybe even afraid. But I need you to remember something that is true: you are not alone. Not for a moment. I am walking with you through every part of this storm. Even when you can't feel me. Even when you think your prayers aren't being answered. Even when you feel like nothing is changing, I am working. I am moving. I am preparing something good, something beautiful, something far beyond what you can now see. My timing is different from yours, child. I see the whole picture. You only see this chapter, but I hold the entire book in my hands. Trust me. I'm not ignoring your pain. I'm shaping your heart. I'm building your strength. I'm drawing you closer to me. Sometimes, I allow you to walk through valleys, not to punish you, but to grow you. It's in the valley that you learn to look up. It's in the stillness that you learn to hear my voice. And I promise you, I speak in every season. You just have to be still enough to hear me. Yes, the storm is loud. But my peace is louder. You may feel weak, but in your weakness, my strength is made perfect. You may feel small, but my love for you is bigger than you can imagine. You may feel broken, but I am the one who heals all wounds. I take what is shattered, and I make it whole again. You may not see the way forward, but I am already there. I go before you. I walk beside you. I come behind you. I surround you with my love. I know you want answers. I know you want the pain to stop. And I know that waiting feels hard. But I want you to do something simple: just breathe. Take one breath, and remember, I gave you that breath. And I'll give you the next one, too. You are not forgotten. You are not a mistake. You are not a burden. You are mine. I formed you in your mother's womb. I counted every hair on your head. I know your thoughts before you speak them. And still, I love you, deeply and endlessly. So when your heart is heavy, come talk to me. You don't need fancy words. You don't need to be perfect. Just come as you are. Come with your messy heart, your doubts, your fears. Lay them at my feet. I can carry them for you. I never asked you to be strong enough on your own. That's what I'm here for. When the world feels loud, come sit in my quiet. When your mind is racing, let my peace calm your thoughts. When everything feels like too much, rest in my arms. My dear child, I promise you, everything is going to be okay. It might not be okay this minute, or even this week, but in time, you'll look back and see how I never stopped working for your good. You'll see how I turned what was meant to hurt you into something that helped you grow. You'll see how I took your tears and used them to water the seeds of something new. You'll see how every trial, every waiting season, every lonely moment brought you closer to me. I love you. More than you will ever understand. I believe in you, even when you don't believe in yourself. I have plans for you, good plans. Not to harm you, but to give you a future filled with hope. So don't give up now. Don't stop praying. Don't stop hoping. Keep walking with me. Keep trusting, even with trembling hands. Keep believing, even with a broken heart. I'm not finished with your story. The best is still ahead. Everything you're going through, I will use it for your good and for my glory. Everything you've lost, I can restore. Everything that's broken, I can rebuild. Everything that hurts, I will heal. Just stay close to me. Keep looking up. You are safe in my hands. You are seen. You are cherished. You are loved. And my dear child, everything is going to be okay. My beloved, thank you for staying with me. I see that you kept reading even with a heavy heart. That tells me something beautiful. You still have hope. Even if it's small, even if it feels like a flicker, I see your faith. And even the smallest faith can move mountains, because it's not about how strong you are, it's about how strong I am. Let me tell you something sacred, I delight in you. Yes, you, with all your flaws, all your struggles, all your past mistakes. When I look at you, I don't see failure. I see someone I created with great love and purpose. I see the battles you fought, the nights you stayed up praying, the moments you showed kindness even when your heart was hurting. I see it all. And every moment you chose to get up again, to keep going, to speak my name. Even when it hurt, that moved my heart. You may not feel holy. You may not feel strong. But I see a warrior in you. A survivor. A light in the darkness. Someone I trust with a piece of my heart. Let's pause for a moment. Breathe in slowly, and now exhale. Let the weight fall off your shoulders. That weight? You were never meant to carry it alone. You've been trying to fix it all, control it all, hold it all together, but child, let me hold you. You don't need to know every step ahead. Just take the next step with me. Rest. Slow down. Let my love carry you for a while. If you're grieving, I'm sitting beside you, quietly, patiently, gently wiping every tear. If you're angry, I'm not offended. I can handle your questions. Let them out. Let me in. If you feel numb, don't be ashamed. I'll stay with you in the silence, until your heart feels again. If you feel lost, I know the way. I am the way. Sometimes, all you need to do is whisper, Jesus, help me. That's enough. I come running. Don't compare your journey to someone else's. You have a unique path, and I'm walking it with you. Their story is not yours, and yours is not theirs. But every story that walks with me ends in redemption. There's nothing too messy for me. No sin too great. No past too dark. No heart too far gone. I am the God who parts seas, heals the sick, raises the dead, and speaks peace into chaos. Do you think your life is too much for me to handle? Never. You are never too much for me. You are just enough for my love. I didn't create you to be perfect. I created you to be mine. And I'm not going anywhere. I'll keep walking with you when it's sunny and when it storms. I'll keep whispering truth when the lies get loud. I'll keep holding you when you have nothing left to give. And child, there will be joy again. There will be laughter again. There will be healing, and dancing, and new beginnings. I'm not only the God of your tears. I'm the God of your tomorrows. Let me write the next chapter of your life. Trust me with the pen. And as you sleep tonight, I'll be right there, watching over you. I never sleep. I never leave. My angels stand guard. My peace surrounds you. My heart beats for you. Rest easy, beloved. Because no matter what you face tomorrow, you don't face it alone. Hold on to this truth. Everything is going to be okay. Maybe not all at once. Maybe not in the way you expect. But in my time, in my way, and with my love, it will all be made right. I promise. My child. You're still here, and so am I. You may not feel strong, but I see incredible strength in you just for holding on. That strength? It's not something you had to build alone. It's my spirit inside of you, carrying you even when your legs feel like they can't move. I know you've had moments when you've wanted to give up. I know some days it's hard to get out of bed, hard to smile, hard to believe that things can change. But I want you to remember this. You're still breathing because your purpose is still alive. Every morning I wake you up is a sign that I'm not finished with you yet. No pain is wasted. Not a single tear. Not a single prayer whispered through trembling lips. I bottle your tears. I write down your prayers. I hold your fears as if they were my own. That's how close I am. That's how much I care. When you walk through fire, you will not be burned. When the waters rise, they will not sweep over you. Because I am with you. Your name is written on the palm of my hand. Your life is written in the book of life. Your future is secure in my promises. You are not forgotten. Not by me. Not ever. Sometimes you wonder, am I doing enough? Am I enough? Let me answer you right now. Yes. You are enough. You don't need to prove yourself to me. I already love you. Not because of what you do, but because of who you are, mine. And because you are mine, there is nothing, not fear, not failure, not your past, not even death, that can separate you from my love. Yes, this life can be hard. I never promised it would be easy. But I did promise something greater, I will be with you. Always. In the hospital room, I'm there. In the courtroom, I'm there. In the kitchen, the classroom, the long drive, the lonely night, I'm there. Every step. Every moment. Every breath. You might not always see me, but I see you. You might not always hear me, but I'm still speaking. You might feel lost, but I know exactly where you are, and I'm not letting go. You don't need to earn my love. You already have it. You don't need to hide your weakness. I already know, and I love you the same. So let go, child. Let go of trying to carry what was never yours to bear. Let go of shame. Let go of regret. Let go of the fear of not being enough. And rest. Rest in my arms. Rest in my grace. Rest in the truth that I am not disappointed in you. I am proud of how far you've come. I am with you in where you are. And I am excited about where we're going together. You may not feel worthy, but to me, you are priceless. You may feel like a mess, but to me, you are a masterpiece in progress. Keep trusting me, even when it's hard. Keep choosing light, even when darkness feels easier. Keep believing, even when it doesn't make sense. Because the story I'm writing in your life is not over. There are still pages to be turned. There are still songs to be sung. There are still dreams that will come alive. So don't be afraid of the future. Don't fear the unknown. I already live there. And I promise, what's coming is better than what's behind. You are safe. You are loved. You are held. And above all, my precious child, everything is going to be okay. With you always. Your Abba, your Father, your forever God Dizzy.